Every Snickers bar begins far from the factory floor. Here, peanuts are lifted from the earth at peak maturity.
Time and sun prepare them for the next journey.
Quality control begins before processing ever starts. Machines take over, separating harvest from husk. Raw peanuts gather, ready for transport. From field to facility, the journey accelerates. Harvest becomes supply. And the factory awaits its first ingredient. Once harvested, precision logistics take control. Every component moves on a calculated schedule.
Traceability is secured before arrival.
The raw world meets engineered precision. Controlled environments protect every ingredient. Accuracy begins at the gate.
Every movement is deliberate.
Contamination control is non-negotiable.
The factory now takes possession. Inside these walls, raw ingredients become precision-engineered food. Every material enters through a controlled gateway. Human oversight remains essential. This is where scale meets control. Movement never stops inside the factory. Data guides every decision. The first transformation is about to begin.
Gravity carries them forward.
The process officially begins. Before flavor, purity is enforced. Unwanted elements are removed mechanically. Airflow refines what gravity cannot. Safety layers stack without pause. Vision systems see what humans cannot. Only the best are allowed forward.
Human judgment confirms machine decisions.
Clean inputs are staged for transformation. Heat and chemistry await. Controlled heat unlocks flavor.
Every second is measured.
Precision replaces guesswork.
Human oversight fine-tunes the process.
Flavor is locked in at the exit.
Heat must leave before handling continues. Texture is refined. Uniformity prepares them for assembly. One core element is ready. Sweetness is engineered under heat and time. Viscosity must remain exact.
Structure is built at the molecular level.
Consistency defines the base. Crunch is precisely calculated. Every bar receives the same balance. Dimensions are controlled to the millimeter.
Structure must stabilize. Now, the signature finish awaits. Chocolate must remain perfectly tempered.
Automation protects consistency.
This layer defines the Snickers identity.
Coverage must be complete. Evenness is achieved through motion.
Time locks the finish.
Automation verifies perfection. Uniformity becomes individual form. Each bar continues alone. Refinement sharpens presentation. Finish matters as much as flavor. Details are verified instantly. Only flawless bars proceed. Balance ensures shelf stability. Accuracy extends to every gram. Safety is continuously enforced. Traceability follows every bar.
Final approval awaits. Every batch faces final scrutiny.
Testing is statistical, not selective. Specifications must match exactly.
The inside tells the full story.
Shelf life depends on balance.
Temper defines texture and shine.
Data delivers the final verdict.
The line moves forward.
The journey nears completion. Packaging preserves both flavor and freshness. Order and precision extend to every pack. Boxes prepare for storage and transport. Stability ensures safe shipment. packaging meets industrial standards.
Inventory awaits distribution.
Supply chains carry the factory's work forward.
And this is how modern factories produce Snickers from start to finish.